Hi everybody, welcome back to My Mom's Recipe Box. Today we have a very special recipe for you. It is the creation of this guy, the cameraman, my husband Mark. And Mark is actually a very talented cook. He's very innovative and creative in the kitchen. And I'm so excited today that he is going to show me how to make his famous, interesting, and unusual I think it is. Veggie sausage sandwich.
Veggie sausage sandwich.
So we're going to be starting off with Beyond Meat sausages.
We've never had them.
Yeah, we've never had them.
We're trying
so we're really excited.
We're excited.
Coming on the journey with us.
Yes.
And we're going to be using a brioche bun as the base of our sandwich. Now, obviously, you can make substitutions for whatever you have
English
hanging
muffins
around. English muffins, maybe a bagel, your favorite toasted bread, whatever.
Right.
So come along because we're going to get started on this delicious sausage sandwich from My Mom's Recipe Box. Come on back. Welcome back. So it's time to make the sandwich. Okay, so doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients. What we've got here are some Beyond Meat veggie sausages. Okay, we're going to use 3 on 2 sandwiches because they're small, but they're not too small. Okay, so we'll make 1 sandwich with 2 sausages and the other sandwich with 1. So we've got our veggie sausage, we've got our brioche buns, and we have 2 eggs, and we have 2 slices of. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. It's so wonderful. If you watch the channel, you know what this is. I'm not going to tell you because now you have to watch the channel. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have a little pat of butter in a skillet. We're going to turn this on, I would say about medium-high, okay? And the first thing we're going to do is cook the sausage. So the sausage cooks for about 3 minutes on the one side and maybe about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes on the other side. Now, this is the first time we've used this type of sausage, so we're going to fry it in the skillet. But there are other veggie sausages we've tried that you can just put in the microwave for 2 minutes. Up to you. You can probably put these in the microwave, but we're going to do it this way since it's our first time, okay? So I'm going to melt the butter in here. All right, and then now, the reason I'm using butter is not just for the sausage, but also because we're going to be scrambling the egg in this pan after we cook the sausage, okay? So, and I always like a little bit of butter with my eggs. We're going to take our sausage, put them in here, and we're just going to start to get them cooked up, okay? Okay, guys, welcome back. So our sausages are done. They smell fantastic, nice and crispy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cook the eggs in the pan that we cooked the sausage. So we've got 2 eggs here. Now for scrambled eggs, you want to add a little bit of water or a little bit of vegetable stock for flavor. I don't recommend putting milk in here because sometimes it makes the eggs a little tough. Okay, so come over here and we're going to get a little bit of water. There you go, that's good. And then we're going to whisk it with a fork. Okay. And the action of the whisk of the fork is all in your wrist. Okay, so you've got the fork kind of not all the way sideways, just sort of tilted a little bit. And you want to really get these eggs whipped up. Okay, you can't overbeat, in my opinion, a scrambled egg. So we're going to give this a good stir. Now I'm not going to put salt in these eggs because we're cooking it in the butter and the sausage leavings, okay, drippings, I guess. And that's going to be salty enough, okay? So, we've got that done. We're going to bring our pan back over here, back on the heat, for a scrambled egg about medium, and then in it goes, okay? And this is going to take like a minute. Okay, so we're just going to move it around. Now, guys, there's a million scrambled egg tutorials on YouTube and a million scrambled egg recipes in the world. This isn't, this isn't fancy egg, okay? This is just a couple of scrambled eggs. So please don't leave comments about what a terrible scrambled egg maker I am. Yeah, I don't want to hear that. Seriously, I'm sorry. Maybe someday we'll do a tutorial on a fancy scrambled egg. Okay. So you can see how quickly the egg cooks. Very quick. If you like a soft egg, this is done. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to sort of cut it in half. There we go. All right. And now if you can see over here, we have our brioche bun with our slice of cheese on it. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the sausage and the egg on here, and that heat from those things are going to melt the cheese on the bun. Okay. So now, babe, what do you put on first, the egg or the sausage? In here. The egg. He said the egg, everybody. Okay. So we're going to cut the heat. And we're going to take the first egg. We're going to bring our sandwich over here. We're going to lay the egg so daintily on the sandwich. And then we put the other egg over here. Wiggle it onto your spatula. And there we go. Heat's off. And now I'm guessing, cameraman, the next thing is the sausage. Okay, so we're going to put 2 sausage patties on this sandwich. Pardon my fingers. And we're going to put 1 sausage patty on this one. Okay. Doesn't that look good? Okay, but we're not done yet. Right, cameraman? We have a very special ingredient to add. I'm going to put these over here. And cameraman, why don't you tell everybody what the special secret ingredient is? I'll give you a hint. Yes, everybody, is maple syrup. Okay, so last week we finally got to go to a craft fair in Montgomery County, Maryland, and there was a guy there selling Vermont maple syrup, and we tasted it. It is sublime, okay? So this is a really special maple syrup that we're going to put on these very special sausage sandwiches. Okay, so now, babe, you have to tell me how much syrup do I put on here?
Not too much.
Not too much, he says. That's not helpful. Okay, so a little pour, like this,
Good.
Good. Okay. And how about this one? A little more because you have 2 sausages. Okay. How about that? Okay. I think that means yes. Okay, guys. So these are our meatless sausage, egg and cheese sandwiches with a very special secret ingredient. This is not a secret anymore. So come on back with us and we're going to taste these beauties. Okay? Okay, everybody, welcome back. So the sandwiches are done and they look fabulous and they smell fabulous. And we're ready to eat.
Syrup too.
Yeah, I have syrup all over.
I use a fork with the syrup. You're doing.
I'm going to try and pick it up.
You're braver than I am.
Okay, here we go. I lost a little egg. Okay, ready?
Do all in one thing. Oops.
It's good, babe. I really never thought I would like syrup with the cheese,
Oh, good.
but it's actually really good.
This is grape syrup also. Thumbs up for the Beyond Meat sausage, right?
The sausage is really good. It's got a great texture.
Crispy.
It's very flavorful. It's not a nothing
No.
tasting sausage.
No.
It's really, really good.
It is.
It's got a lot of spice in it. It definitely, I would never think that this wasn't real sausage. The egg is terrific. Now for me, with the sausage, the cheese gets a little lost.
There's a lot.
I mean, I know it's there, But I think that if you didn't have sliced cheese and you still wanted to make this, it'd be fine with just sausage, egg, and syrup.
But it gives it that little extra gooey.
It does. But I would say, and I know, I know there are some of you out there right now that are going, what? Try it with the syrup, I swear to God. It's a game changer. And in a good way. Mm-hmm. The sweetness of the syrup and the spices in the sausage go together so well.
Look, Lulu's trying to get it. Here she is. There's a little head. She smells it. Lulu.
You can't see our other cat, Clive, because he's right behind the camera. But he's very interested.
Staring, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Here's little Lulu trying to...
And I don't know where... Ruby's right here.
She's hoping if something falls.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, Ruby. Nothing's falling. Mm-hmm. So that's our episode. Things are looking good. Mm-hmm. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
You don't need to go out to a restaurant or fast casual to get a meatless sausage sandwich. They
breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime.
They charge a ridiculous amount of money for these plant-based Sammies, as you probably know.
Right.
We probably the Impossible Whopper at Burger King is like over $7.
We got the 6-pack. It came in a 6-pack of the Beyond Meat sausage patties at Harris Teeter. Probably for the 6 of those cost less than one of these sandwiches would cost out at Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. And we love those places, but this
I mean, I'm not saying never go out to eat, but I am saying that if you want to save a couple dollars and you still want a delicious sausage sandwich,
so good.
Make it at home and bring us along. My mom's recipe box. We will guide you every step of the way. Okay? So have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. We really love you. If you like what you see, if you like seeing the body of a cat and the rear end of a cat, give us a like. Share it with your friends. And hey, while you're at it, how about you subscribe? We would love to have you as part of our exclusive circle of very special people. Okay? And we're going to go now before Lulu eats my sandwich. I'm not sharing. So we will see you next time on My Mom's Recipe Box. Stay safe everybody. Bye-bye.